Wonder Cube. This gadget is a multifunctional keyring for the phone that frees the user from the need to carry cables and adapters all the time. This 1x1 inch cube has pull-out USB and micro USB cables to connect the phone to the computer or to the charger. It also has an input for micro SD memory cards and an LED light that allows you to use the device as a flashlight. In addition, this hub can be used as a stand for the phone or as a charger. Just connect the phone to the special plug of the device that has a 9-volt battery. The price is $50. Next Pack. This modular phone case allows users to install replacement modules depending on their needs, from additional memory or battery to a thermometer or breathalyzer. Today, the device is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S5, S6 Edge, and iPhone 6. The case is equipped with an integrated battery of 1000 mAh and space for 6 cross-platform modules. The module of an iPhone can be put in the case of a Samsung and vice versa. If you order it through the website, the price is from $89, and the price of each module varies from $3 to $29. Lolly. This is a portable device to record 3D data and create spectacular audio recordings with your iOS phone or tablet. The compact microphone connects easily to your device and is equipped with an integrated 3D recording system and reverb effects that allow you to record high-quality sound anytime, anywhere. You can buy this microphone for a price of $45. Go Touch. This device consists of a projector and stylus that work together. The projector is equipped with an Ultra HD camera that transmits all the movements of the stylus from a virtual board to the image, adding the needed information. The system comes with a mobile application to adjust the projector and the image. And you can order the device on the company website for $275. Mogo. These are extraordinary virtual reality glasses that allow you to watch movies with your phone in high quality and without getting dizzy. The device displays 100% of the phone's pixels, making it a portable cinema. The glasses come in 3 versions: for home, for travel, and a built-in screen designed to control drones. The device is made of plastic, has special lenses, and fits in any bag. You can also wear it with normal glasses. The price is $80 or $245.